good morning. Welcome to Chris Vlog, and today's vlog it's unboxing day for Marifel. So she have package today, and I'm sure she will like it. And it's I think it will be a late gift for Marifel birthday. As you remember, on her birthday, it's on April 29, and this gift is special and a little cost also. And I think she deserves also to have this because every time she join activities uh on school, she have a spot in games and contests, so she have the spot. So I think she deserves this one, and I'm so happy to have an opportunity, these things, and that she needs also. And I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside. So let's take it out later, and I will get the package outside. So let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Your package is arrived. I'm just teasing. She's excited.
Me.
So it's another package for Marcel. Special package.
So,
Mm.
unboxing time.
Unboxing time.
Unboxing
Rian is
time.
excited. Someone that.
I hope there's more in there too.
Hmm.
Wala, no.
Ala.
Hello?
Ala.
Hello?
Ala. Ala.
Hello?
So as you remember, last time Marafel is have a broken cell phone. Ano?
Opo. Nakita ko iPhone. iPhone daw, iPhone. Kamera pa iPhone.
Nah. It's legit? Legit?
Yeah. Legit.
Legit? Legit? Open, open na, open.
Ano, Oppo?
Oppo.
iPhone?
Oppo is a good brand.
Ano, Oppo mo yun? Bubot.
Hello, but dili iyon. Oh. Oppo. Ha, legit Oppo.
Cover in the back.
Mm,
Bakit brand oh? This.
phone case. Mm. Wow. Phone case.
Ano for?
Huh?
Is it for?
Wow. New cell phone.
Is it ano siya?
Set. Set. Ah! What's up on Rian?
I want my new phone. Hello. Ako may ano language.
You have the old one, Samantha.
Well, what the SIM card? Okay.
Yeah. So your old SIM card you can put there. Yeah. Thanks to
Thank you, Tito Brian and
Gregory.
Gregory.
Yeah, Tito
Thank you
Brian
so
and Gregory.
much.
So thank you so much, Tito Brian and Gregory. Hey, Marvel have a new phone. That's her request. It's new Oppo. Oppo. Oppo, it's a good brand. Oh no, I'm not endorsing. We just like the brand of Oppo. Hey, Samantha. You have the old one.
Magamit na to. TikTok na yun. Okay, lumabas ako.
What did you watch? Funny? Funny video? Chat?
Music.
Music? Surprise. Ako surprise. Mm. I think you have an idea. Right? Hmm? You have an idea? What's inside?
Taco.
Taco, it's billiard stick. So, you already guess what's inside? You want to open? Open?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
No, give me the scissors. Give me the scissors.
So, that's your yan na, late birthday gift. It's like a late birthday gift.
It's a move. No problem.
No. What's that?
Then I will. Hello. Ah. Ah.
Yeah, billiard stick, carbon type.
Five.
Carbon fiber.
I don't have.
Nice guy. Nice cake design, no? Snake.
Paano sa bitin?
Snake. Snake skin, Sam.
Yes.
Wow.
Alam mo, discussion mo. Upuan, plastic siya.
This is plastic. Carbon gani.
Ano?
Eh.
Ala! Ala ko.
You know, give it to you. It's Tito Brian.
Thank you! Ala. No, discussion.
Nice design, guys. It's legit store, guys. It's carbon type. Yeah.
Di ba yung mic? Oh. Ah.
I have package.
Yay!
Yay.
Inside.
Yeah. Okay. Ang gunting. Ang gunting. Wala akong gunting. Yeah. Naya. Naya lang. Yay. Hmm. So excited. Samantha is so excited. Hmm. Naya, kaya kasi magising bag.
Ayoko ah.
Hmm. Wow. What's that? Wow. Wow, nice. Wow. So, wow. That's not it, xylophone. Yay. Happy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks, Tito Brian.
Yay, happy?
Yes.
Yes. Try. Try like that. Woo! Wow, nice tone. Yeah. Love you, Michi. Love you. Hey, I love you. Hey, love, love, mama. Ah, Michi Rose. Ba. Ah, ba. Michi Rose. Ba. Ah, Michi. Michi. Oh.